Say hello to O-Garden Smart, the future of indoor gardening. O-Garden Smart is an indoor gardening system that allows you to grow fresh produce at home. Unlike most indoor gardening systems, O-Garden Smart can grow up to 90 fruits and vegetables simultaneously, significantly supplementing your grocery shopping in a way that no other indoor gardening system has done before. And since it's indoors, you never have to worry about the weather affecting what you grow or when you grow it. Get perfect fruits and veggies all year round. O-Garden Smart is easy to use. Simply place your seeds and growing cups in the nursery cabinet below. When the seeds sprout, transfer them to the wheel. There, they'll grow large enough to harvest. The rotating wheel keeps your roots moist and can host up to 60 plants, while the nursery cabinet below can hold up to 30 plants, giving you a constant rotation of 30 crops at all times. The automatic low energy consumption LEDs simulate the perfect amount of sunshine, and the automatic watering gives your produce exactly the amount it needs for optimal growth. Growing your produce at home means no pesticides, no herbicides, and no waste. Just incredibly fresh food for you and your family that you can harvest right when you need it. O-Garden is clean, bright, beautiful, and the perfect addition to any area of your home. From dinner with your friends to quality time with your family, O-Garden is there to provide fresh, delicious produce to you and the ones you love. Through growing our own food, we can educate future generations on sustainable practices and create a real impact in the world. The future of produce is independence and sustainability. We believe O-Garden will bring us there. Join us. Back our campaign today and take the next step towards a more sustainable, healthier future.
Hey, did you ever question the goodness of the food you consume? And wouldn't you prefer freshly plucked veggies, just like your favorite master chefs? Think about it. From fresh tomatoes, crispy lettuce, spinach and kale. Every single day you open your refrigerator looking for your fresh stock of frozen ingredients. I'm sure your husband loves it as well. Who are you kidding? Now I know what you're gonna say. Who's the time to grow veggies in between work, kids, daily chores, socializing? Why didn't you just send me to a farm? No! Chill, we'll send the farm to you. Now I know you're wondering how we fit a farm inside this box. That's us, Altafarm. A compact modular home farm that empowers you to enjoy fresh produce without any hassle. Assemble it like a Lego set. Step by step, and your farm is ready. Don't worry about watering. Just fill it once a week and the self-watering system will take care of the rest. Not enough sun? The Grow Light Pack gives you the option of keeping it indoors. Tight space? The Mobility Pack lets you move Ultifarm around anywhere. Oh, and there's also a greenhouse pack for the winter. All the tiers are height adjustable and flexible to grow a variety of plants. If herbs and veggies are not your thing, you can grow some beautiful garden plants too. They look great on Ultifarm.
The design, it took around 3.5 years now.
There are many architects who design green spaces into buildings, and this is something that it doesn't have to be designed into. It can be brought in and added to that unused space in almost any setting.
You know the story behind what you consume. So Ultifarm lets you do that.
Ultifarm not only makes your home look good, but it will also make you look healthy, stylish, eco-chic, smart, and most importantly, a great chef. So next step, food blogger. Yeah, maybe that's too far.
Imagine being able to grow a garden full of fresh food in the heart of any city in the world, all within arm's reach of your kitchen. The AeroSpring Indoor Garden is the latest version of our popular vertical farming systems, allowing you to grow nutritious fruits and vegetables inside all year round using only 10 square feet of space.
One of the reasons that we started AeroSpring was that we wanted better tasting and fresher, pesticide-free produce.
And that's why we decided to try growing our own food.
When we designed this vertical gardening system, we wanted it to work for the novice grower and also the expert grower.
So we created AeroSpring and have since helped thousands of people radically transform the way they get fresh produce.
With the AeroSpring gardens, the stuff I grow is more nutritious, fresher, and it's pesticide-free. I do next to no work on this, and it does all the work for me, and that's why it's great.
The AeroSpring requires no prior gardening experience and is so low maintenance, it fits neatly into even the busiest of lifestyles. The AeroSpring has allowed me to grow almost anything.
And it grows about twice as fast as it does in soil. It's extremely easy to use and it's very simple to assemble as well.
And what's more, everything fits into one box, which we can ship to you anywhere in the world.
The AeroSpring system is aeroponic. Plants actually grow in air and the roots are showered with nutrient-rich water. It's completely soilless, making the garden very easy to maintain.
Being one of the first people to try the indoor AeroSpring, we don't have to worry about pests at all now, don't have to worry about weather, which will always have an effect on anybody's garden, and what my family eats is the freshest and safest produce that they can have.
So the versatility of the system is that you can grow from 3 plants up to 27 plants throughout the year in the privacy of your home. Because we have these sippable panels, you are actually able to boost the growth of the plants by 30 to 40% when the tent is sipped closed. And with the foldable lights, you can double the light intensity, and with the top LED panel, create a grow environment for plants that need the highest amount of light. Now that we've spent a year perfecting our new indoor kit, our mission today is to help other people achieve what we have done, to grow our own food right at home, save money and have much more nutritious food.
Back our project on Kickstarter today and take back control over your food.